My name is Alex Blackmer, and my partner and I, Grace Liu, worked on creating a visualization to explore a novel meteorological instrument called the Differential Emissivity Imaging Disdrometer. This is an instrument that was developed by Dr. Tim Garrett in the Atmospheric Science Department at the University of Utah, and it has been recently used for several data collection campaigns, specifically to look at snow density over time and how it varies. Our particular case was recorded at Alta Collins up in Little Cottonwood Canyon back in December 17th to the 18th, 2020. You can see our visualization is kind of an overview of the data that was collected there during that particular event. We have an informational blurb on the left here about the deed, about how the hot plate camera works, and some of the meteorological variables that were collected at a co-located site. In the middle, we have an image of the data schematic and a field photograph, as well as an embedded video of the snowflakes falling on the hot plate. Moving down into interactive visualizations, we have a few different parameters like the deed's vertical density profile. This is important for end users of the deed, specifically avalanche forecasters, can use this tool to look at how the density in the snow changes over the accumulation in height. So we have a brushable feature to zoom in into points of interest and to focus on changes in density. Additionally, we have this feature implemented in looking at the snow density over time, because that's also important to consider, not just over the height of the snow and accumulation of the snow, but also over the time. Atmospheric variables change over time, and that's important to keep in mind. Additionally, we have the accumulation rates and the accumulation amounts, both in the snow and snow water equivalent metrics. These are very close in shape, but ultimately they tell a different story of water content and snow measured. Lastly, we have a few different variables visualized, like the temperature, snow depth, snow interval, and accumulated precipitation recorded at the co-located weather station. That's a good comparison to look at the performance of the deed and how it stacks up to a coarser resolution instrument. So to summarize, our visualization is really just an overview of a recent exploratory bit of science going on at the University of Utah, and it's a really cool opportunity to be able to share this with other scientists at the U. So thank you for watching.